My name's Joey Lowe, and I am the resident artist here at Springfields Festival Gardens. I'm currently working on sculptures, sensory sculptures, and we're working on recycling, remaking, redesigning, and finding previous work and using it now to create sculptures. We've currently completed phase one, which was to create a sensory wall sculpture out of wood, stone, and also buttons and switches. And next we are on to phase two, where we are creating further sculptures, including a piano, which once I've splattered with paint will be a sensory item for the garden. And then we've got a couple of other surprises in store for the gardens.